Oh my gosh, you guys, guess what time it is? It's Distracted by Diamonds time. Hi diamond painting friends, Jessica here with Tiny Worlds of Wonder, stopping in to share some Distracted by Diamonds awesomeness. Now, I know you guys have been eagerly awaiting Robyn's next release of canvases. I know I have been, and they are here, you guys. So I'll drop a link to her Etsy shop below. I know that festive time, the beautiful deer I unboxed here on the channel is back in stock, and she's going to be listing those. So if you're interested in that canvas, head on over there. Now, Robyn is a one-woman show, and she never sleeps, but she can only ship a limited number of canvases a day, so she tends to only list the number that she can ship. So if you go over to the Etsy shop and you're not seeing anything, or you're not seeing what you really would like to order, keep checking back because new things are appearing all the time. Now, quick disclaimer up front, I work with Robyn on a really limited basis, finding art and licensing artists. I'm super excited about the canvases in front of me today because this is an artist that I had the pleasure of working with and helping Robyn sign. So I'm going to get into the packages first. I have two of them here to show you, and I'll talk about the artist while we do that. So these are so unique. I'm so excited to show this artist to you. I have seen this artist's work, but not this canvas once again. So it's all a surprise to me as well, how this turned out. I'm really excited. So this new artist is named Matt Lyon. Now, Matt Lyon is a London-based artist and illustrator. His bio says, "My work stems from incessant doodling, often laced with wild colors, shapes, and patterns. I've worked for the likes of Nike, AOL, AT&T, Microsoft, and other lovely people, and my designs have been widely seen in books, magazines, and wall spaces, and now in diamond painting." So this is so exciting. His work is so awesome and unique, and you guys, he's just such a nice person. So as always, I'm going to stick a link to his website in the description below so you can see all of his fantastic artwork. It is just amazing, and there's truly nothing like it in the diamond painting world. All right, this first canvas I'm going to show you, it turned out so well. I can tell already. This piece is called Night Veil. All right. And I'll show you all the components that come in the second release too, because I haven't seen any canvases yet, and I'm not sure. Until I unbox this, I don't know what's in here either. So, all right. So one thing that Robyn and I loved about Matt's work, let's see if I can get this giant canvas arranged so you guys can see some of it. We loved his fantastical buildings. Now I know there's going to be a lot of glare on this with the clear cover, but I hope you're going to be able to get an idea of what's going on here. He creates these really fantastical cities and sky scenes and a lot of other kinds of artwork too, but these were just so beautiful and so appealing. So this one called Night Veil, I'm going to see if I can show you a thumbnail picture, see if there's one included in here. There is. Okay. Let me look at the toolkit first. We have in this toolkit a white boat, a bit of an upgraded pen by the looks of it, with a squishy. Very cool. Pink wax, a 3-placer, some really nice tweezers. Ooh, sharp tweezers. We have definitely an upgraded toolkit here. A tape measure, a sample of Patty Wax Super Sticky, and then our regular pink wax and baggies. That's fantastic. Okay, awesome. Here is the thumbnail of this canvas. Isn't that gorgeous with all of the bright colors? Matt, your work is just incredible. This is beautiful. Now, Robyn did tell me that on the next release, after this one, because these manufacturing things all take a little bit of time to maneuver, one of these legends will be dropped to the lower end of the canvas, so that's really awesome. The canvases will be coming in boxes as well. So it's so cool that Robyn's listening to your feedback on all of that and trying to give you guys a really great experience. So if you love bright, vivid colors, then this canvas is for you. I can tell you that much right now. Let's see if this background is black, shall we? Because I know some of y'all are 310 haters. It's 939. Aren't you excited? It's 939. That's going to be such a sparkly background. This is a 60 by 84. This is a big kahuna. A 60 by 84 canvas. It also came with an inventory sheet this time. Another way Robyn's listening to your feedback. 40 colors, and this one is square. Let me look at the bottom half of the canvas with you here, and then we'll take a peek at the drills. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. I want to start it right now. This is so fun. Oh my gosh. Now, I've received a couple of canvases in these envelopes, and mine have flattened out really, really well. Oh, look at this ocean of blue in here. This is so exciting. That is so much fun. All right. Isn't that glorious, you guys? All right. I'm never going to be able to get these drills back in there. My favorite thing about Robyn's canvases, hands down, is that they come with pre-bagged drills. Robyn, don't change that. That is so awesome. So awesome. Okay, now, look how many fully sized bags of 939 we have in this canvas. That is gonna make this canvas so sparkly. I am so excited about that. Let's check out all the other colors here. Like I said, if you're a lover of bright colors, man, this one's for you. Look at this. We have hot pink, magentas, light pink, robin's egg blue, turquoise, green, all shades of purple. Really the only muted color in this canvas is sort of this light green. There's a gray, and there's sort of a burgundy, and maybe a tan, which isn't even that muted. Oh my gosh. This canvas is everything. I'm so excited about it. It turned out so good, you guys. Now, of course, I'm gonna take you out for a long view. My table space is really limited right here, I know. So I'll take you out for a long view and let you see the whole thing. This is so epic. Okay, I'm gonna pack up these drills, and then I'm gonna show you the other canvas. All right, as if one glorious canvas wasn't enough, it's like Christmas because we have two to unbox today. And this one really is like Christmas, you guys. I'm so excited. Now, again, when Robyn and I saw this particular piece, we thought, what a fantastical, magical, snowy journey this will be for diamond painting lovers everywhere. So we have another toolkit in there. We have our inventory sheet. This one is a round canvas, 60 by 80. I love how Robyn is not messing around on making tiny canvases that aren't going to render well. I appreciate that she's doing these in a large size so that the quality of the artist's work is really going to come out. She's quickly, I think, becoming the gold standard in diamond paintings. Between her art and the sizing and all of this that she's trying to do. I know, like I said, she's a friend, and so I try to be objective, which is hard with friends, but you guys are also friends, and these look good. These look really good. That's my honest opinion. These look great. Like, this inventory sheet and this toolkit, like, this is not what I would expect from a brand new company. Like, Robyn, my friend, way to go. I had no idea how hard you were working around the clock on all of this, and I can tell that you were. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm just gonna grab this little thumbnail out of here so you guys can see. Here's what we have going on for our second canvas, Wonderland. So it's a bit of a Christmas or winter themed canvas, and as you know, July is the perfect time to start your Christmas canvases. If if you're me, because that's how long it's going to take you. Now, I was thinking on the other one, and I wonder if this is true. Is this a sticker? It's a sticker. So how cool is that? You can stick this in your diamond painting journal or just use it for reference as you're doing your canvas. This is so much fun, you guys. I'm not going to dump out that toolkit because it looks like it has the same things in it. So that's really fun. All right. Let me flip this up this way. Now this one does look a tiny bit more smooshed than the other one. But like I said earlier, I'm not having any trouble with my canvases from Robyn flattening out. My festive time, Fiona the deer, came in an envelope as well. And she is hanging up in my closet and she looks great. So you feel like you're in a village in the Alps. Oh my gosh, I know there's so much glare. Okay, I'm just so delighted. I'm so delighted with how this turned out. And that is my honest opinion. Of course, if I have any issues with these, I'll let you know as I'm working on them, but man, my initial impression right now is phenomenal. I can't stop giggling. Really, I can't stop giggling. That's how much fun this is. All right, looks very sticky. All of these wrinkles in the cover you're seeing here are just that, wrinkles in the top cover. I'm gonna have to lay this down flat to get it really back up to snuff. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I can see in my viewfinder how cute it is. This is so great. Okay, Robyn, 10 out of 10, baby. So here are the colors we have for this canvas. Again, it's a round, so I like that she did one square and one round. Lots of wintry colors in here. Grays, blues, purples, and then we have some colors of our little red houses here. Some tan, orange. So still actually a very colorful canvas considering you would think a ton of it would be white because it's a snow scene. That means a lot of the snow is going to be these beautiful blues. This is so fantastic. I hope you guys run over to the Etsy shop and check out what Robyn has going on. Again, please be patient with the listing times. She's just one person, as you know. We all know and love Robyn who've been around the diamond painting world for a while. So be sure to check out her shop and support a brand new company based in the US with legally licensed artwork. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. Great work on this, Robyn. You amaze me. These canvases look great. Huge thanks to Matt Lyon, this wonderful new artist. I know you guys are going to have a ton of fun exploring his work in the future as well. I hope you have a wonderful week. Spread some joy wherever you are today, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.